Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on this video I will be showing you how I make my pawpaw smoothie. It's so simple guys. The ingredients are so locally available and I'm sure you're going to love it if you try this recipe. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, I'll be using 1 very ripe pawpaw and 2 very ripe bananas, and then I'm just going to cut the pawpaw into 2, and then I remove the seeds. Yeah, gently remove the seeds so that, and then I'm just going to cut the bananas into smaller pieces, transfer them to a blender, and then for the pawpaw I'm just going to scoop out the flesh carefully, not to take the peels because the peels are usually so bitter. And you can see I've already scooped out all the flesh from the pawpaws. Then I add a 1/4 cup bio yogurt. You can use buttermilk for this, you can use coconut milk, but I love bio yogurt for this smoothie. And then usually I add 1 tablespoon raw honey. I'm then going to add a 1/4 cup water, but you can add more or less depending on the amount of smoothie that you want to make, and then 1 tablespoon chia seeds into the mixture, and then I'm just going to lock that and blend the smoothie like you can see on the video. And it's so simple guys, so nutritious. I hope you try out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so, and I will see you on the next video.